Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick video. In this video, we are going to resolve this error which says the error number is 0x80240066. So this is a Microsoft Store error and we are going to see a couple of steps how you can resolve this. So let's get started. So first of all, if you're using Windows 11 or let's say in other Windows, we can just write settings here on the start menu and hit enter. Now let's go to the system from here on the left corner and just scroll down and search for the developers. So let's go to the developers here. So if the developer tab is set to on, just click on off here. And this is the step one. See if that resolves the problem. Just open the Microsoft Store and just see if it works. Now step two is if that doesn't work, what you can do is just go to the start menu and right here, WS reset. Just make sure that you see this kind of an icon. Just right click here and run as administrator. And this will open the Microsoft Store. So if that resolves the problem, that is great. But otherwise, just close this. And just go to the start menu and right here, CMD. And just try to run as administrator. Click yes. And just right here, SFC space. And just give a / and right here, scan now. Now just make sure that you attach both of these words without a space. So scan now should be in a single word without a space. Now just hit enter and it will run a process. It will take some time. As you can see here, the verification has started. So I'll just fast forward the process until it completes the verification. And after the verification is complete, if you are not having any problem with this, it will show you this message that Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. Otherwise, if there was an issue, it will show you a different message right here. So after that, just close that and just try restarting your PC and it should solve the problem. So if it did, just mention in the comments what works for you and I will see you in the next one.